Let's talk about terracing. We have three types of terrace in World Blender. We have the uniform terrace, fractal terrace, and cell terrace. So let me just displace my landscape real quick using a noise texture, a noise displacement like that. And let's take a look at the uniform terracing. So the uniform terracing will just cut the landscape into even layers. And the distance between the layers is determined by this step size parameter. And we can move the terracing up or down using the offset value. And we can also set the steepness of the terracing using the steepness parameter. Next, we have the fractal terrace, which is pretty much the improvement of the uniform terrace. In fact, the fractal terrace node makes use of the uniform terrace node. This node just repeats the uniform terrace multiple times at different scales and position. So currently the iterations parameter is set to 4, which means it will use this uniform terrace node 4 times to set the terracing. And this is the size of the biggest level, which is 150 meters. And this is the ratio between the terrace levels. And again, we have the steepness and the offset as well as the mask, similar to this uniform terrace. And finally, we have the cell terrace. This terrace node will cut the landscape into small cells with different height levels. And you can control the cells using these parameters. The W parameter will change the randomness of the cells, and these two will move the cells in the X or Y direction. And we have the cell size here. And down here we have the cell type. Currently this is a random cells type, and we can change this to square cells or hexagon cells. And then we have the smoothness that will smooth the transition between the cells. And that's it. That's all the nodes for displacement. In the next video, we will explore these two landscape creator nodes.